think that we were looking for full justice, and we only got partial justice.
To some extent, as people say, that second-degree result is a compromise.
It's a ruling the Massey family says they will never be satisfied with. Nearly 30 hours after Sean Grayson was found guilty of second-degree murder, an Urbana legal expert is weighing in on the case that caught the eye of people around the country. Good evening. I'm Kelly Finley in for Brandon.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The former Sangamon County Sheriff's deputy faces up to 20 years in prison. The conviction is a much lesser charge than first-degree murder, which Grayson was initially charged with 15 months ago. WCIA3's Amanda Brennan is with us now. And Amanda, this decision doesn't come as a surprise to a longtime criminal defense attorney.
Exactly, Jennifer. In Steve Beckett's eyes, he says the way it played out was fairly standard, even expected. We sat down as he weighed the options the prosecution, defense, and all of the jurors had to work through the past 8 days until a decision was reached within the Peoria County Courthouse. From the second both the Massey and Grayson families heard the words guilty of second-degree murder, you could hear soft crying from the courtroom's gallery. Those soft tears turned into a loud fight for justice in downtown Peoria.
Say her name! Say her name!
The Masseys not happy with the conviction.
I'm devastated.
After former Deputy Sean Grayson shot and killed their loved one, Sonia, July of 2024.
I killed you and you better not. I swear to God, I'll shoot your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the pot! Drop the pot!
The first time I saw the video in this case, I identified that issue is definitely there.
The issue of being justified or unjustified in the shooting.
Nobody can truly be happy with the result of the verdict. Both families were utterly destroyed by this case.
But the conviction doesn't come as a surprise to Urbana lawyer Steve Beckett.
If you're looking at it from the victim and the victim's family perspective, they would say, well, that's crazy because boiling water and guns, that just doesn't make any sense. But if you look at it from the police officer's perspective and the instantaneous second that the police officer had to decide, then I guess you could see how a jury could apply their common sense.
Now attention turns to sentencing.
Now what we do need to be concerned about is that he gets a maximum sentence here.
Do you think that he could get the full 20 years?
No, I don't. 20 years of commission of a crime is for someone who is absolutely has no redeeming value, expresses no remorse, and basically scoffs at what happened.
Beckett says next steps include Sangamon County Probation preparing a pre-sentencing report,
which will go into great detail of the defendant's background.
Meanwhile, the Masseys will focus their next steps on making a change near and far.
All we got was a second-degree murder conviction out of this. There has to be some middle point between first degree and second degree. I think this was a compromised verdict, and people are saying, well, you got something, but we didn't get complete justice. And until we get complete justice for people all over the United States, it's not going to be enough for me.
Now for him, he wants to see the Sonia Massey bill passed in all other 49 states, not just here in Illinois. Governor Pritzker signed it into law in August, requiring more transparency when hiring at Illinois law enforcement agencies. That includes conducting more comprehensive reviews of past employment. Back to you.
All right, Amanda, thank you so much. Now, this trial has proved to be a difficult process for the family and friends of both Massey and Grayson, yet both parties have reached across the aisle in empathy.
In an interview, NAACP Springfield President Teresa Haley told CBS they had spoken with the Grayson family, his mother even apologizing for her son's actions. Haley says she recognizes there were losses on both sides, each spending the past 15 months grieving.
The mother came over and apologized, and she said, we did not raise him that way, and I'm really sorry for your family. My heart goes out to them. We lost Sonia, but they lost a son, and what he did for Sonia, he has to pay, and they realize that.
Haley also adds when the court limited the number of loved ones led into the trial, it was the Grayson family who invited her to enter with their party. But she says the judge did not allow it.